Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect to Wi-Fi on TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper. To do that, go to Settings, then in Settings go to Wi-Fi, make sure that it's on, and now in Available Networks you will see all of the networks that are available, and choose the one you want to connect to. Then just type in the password and click on connect. After a short while it will still say connected if the password entered was correct, and it will display the Wi-Fi symbol on the status bar. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.